Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Oh, when am I going to get my own room? Alright, time to give Mia a bedroom because in all of these houses the parents don't get a room. So I'm going to give you some ideas on what you can do. Now over here, if you've got these windows, if you've got quite a few of them, you can pop Mia's room over here and you won't use too many bricks. Or if you got these windows, they will look quite nice and match in with the house also. But me, I am going to build a third story because I just love doing that. So I rummaged through my parts and these are the only aqua bricks I have left. I managed to find 2 of these windows, but these inverted slopes, I did not have them in yellow. So I will just have to go with this lime green colour, which matches the house. And I only had 2 of these plates with a little handle on them. So the rest I'll have to do white, and then I found some panels in aqua as well in these packets that I haven't opened yet. Try and use up what you have. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. I'm going to start by removing the roof and these bricks here. I will be reusing them and the roof because I really like that part of the house. So I'm going to try and pull it apart without destroying too many things. I thought about keeping Autumn's room down here, but I don't like that post there. It looks like it takes up a lot of room for her bedroom. And once I've removed it, look how much bigger her bedroom looks. So I'm going to leave it like that and hopefully the floor doesn't cave in. Now up here I noticed this is only 5 studs wide and the plates I'm using are 6 studs wide. So the easiest solution to this is for me to move all of this 1 brick forward. Alright, I've moved everything 1 brick forward and then I popped the tan plates on top just to give that 1 extra plate height. But now I'm looking at adding my floor, and these are the only dark tan parts I had, so I have to make do with normal tan here. But that's okay because that was on the original anyway. But now looking at the front here, I don't like this higgledy-piggledy, lots of things at the front. It needs to be smooth, I think, and it needs to be aqua. So I don't know if I'm going to use the plates here, or I might just use bricks. Okay, I've pulled everything apart again and I have decided to use bricks here because it's going to look a lot more smooth and it's going to give that nice aqua colour at the front of the house. So I'll pop in my floors now and I feel that looks a lot better now. Oh dear, hopefully my floor doesn't fall down because I removed that post. But anyway, let's build here the parts that I had. And I feel the green looks really nice. If you've got the yellow, use the yellow because if I had that, I would have. And I did the exact same windows as downstairs. I really like doing that. If you want, you can make the chimney taller, but I just kept it the same height as it was. And I don't mind the white, a little overhang there instead of yellow. If I had the yellow, I would have used yellow. So now up here, I am going to run a section of plates. And now I'm going to pop the roof on that came with the set because I love how it is. Except here, I'm putting in posts in the room. This is to hold up the original roof that came with the set. This bed came from the downtown design stores and I thought it'd be perfect for Mia's room, but I don't have those brown parts, so I am going to build it in white, and it's built slightly different because I had to make do with what I had. I felt she needed a grown-up desk since she is an adult now, so I used these brown parts to make the desk. She's got some letters here, a little vase, and this microscope, and this came from one of my treehouse sets, and I love the design and build of that. And she's going to be collecting ladybugs to look under the microscope. And here is a little bookshelf for her room because she's going to have lots of books on plants and animals. Bookshelf has a vase and a little jar on top. Now we've got to put everything into the room. So here's the bed, and you can stick it here if you like, or here, but I felt it would look nice in between those posts, and then there'd be two little side tables there. Very easy to build these ones. There's a little light there, and she's got a little flower by a bed, and I used that part that I ordered the other day, so I'm excited about that. Okay, now time to put the desk and the bookshelf in. So there's the grown-up desk, and she's going to be looking at things close up under the microscope. Pop the little comfy chair in. Hopefully that floor doesn't fall apart. And the bookshelf, she's going to be doing lots of reading. And her mat. I thought I'll pop in a mat that says Mia on there since it's her room. There's her room. She is going to love this. I love the design of this roof, but I had to pop in that inverted slope in since I changed the size slightly of the bedroom. And why isn't this going in? I think I put these around the wrong way. Yep. So they need to be turned around so then you can click the roof in. Okay, done. Love this roof and her room. Mia, what do you think? She's loving it. She gets her own bed, a desk. She gets a hideaway from the dog. Sorry, Daisy, you are not allowed on the bed. You can sit on the mat. Now at the front here, I forgot to put the flowers in. So there's the flowers. And another thing, I get ahead of myself. I did not tile the top part here to hide those studs in there. And I am destroying this roof. Bear with me, people. I am sorry. There, now it's done. The much needed bedroom for Mia. If you can't do the third story, you can make the room on the side. I think Daisy is happy getting her a dog bed back. Mia is guarding her bed because she doesn't want the dog going on it. She loves her new room. The Lego Friends Autumn's House Bedroom Renovation Edition. I love this house, but I had a few of you ask me, can you please build Mia a bedroom because she can't sleep with the dog? So this was the best way I could do it with the parts I had. Like I said, you can make it to the side above the dining room if you don't have too many bricks, but this was the easiest way I could do it for now. I am planning on buying another house, so now I'm going to make a mega house like I always do. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative.